Good morning, children. Today we are going to do in grammar action words. What are action words? Action words are words that describe the action. Action words are words that describe the actions. They tell us what people, animals or things do. What do they tell us? They tell us about people, animal or things do. They are also called doing words. They are also called doing words. Now action words which shows the action means we are eating, playing, talking, reading. All those are called action words. They are also called doing words. What are they called? They are also called doing words. Why they are called doing words, children? Because the action which we do, it shows us what we are doing it. So it comes to know what type of action is going on. In just only we read action words are words that describe the action. एक्शन वर्ड्स जो है वो डिस्क्राइब करती है एक्शन. जिस तरह से आप ईटिंग करते हो या फिर स्लीपिंग है या फिर ड्रिंकिंग, प्लेइंग, कुछ भी जो आप कर रहे हो उससे आपके एक्शन से पता चल रहा है कि आप क्या बता रहे हो या फिर आप क्या कर रहे हो. दे टेल अस व्हाट पीपल, एनिमल्स और थिंग्स डू. वो हमें क्या कहते हैं? दे टेल us what people, right, animals or things do. They are also called doing words. उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Doing words भी कहते हैं. Why do we say doing words? As I told you just now, we say doing words also because they show our action. Suppose if you want to drink water, right? तो ग्लास में आप पानी डालोगे. You will pour in a glass you pour a water, then you will pick up the glass to drink it because you are thirsty. So the action which you have done to drink water because you are thirsty, so it shows the action. What it shows your action. Now example are play, play. Evening time, if you live in a society, down there is a small mini garden, so all the children go out to play. The action which you show it shows that you are playing. Talk, T-A-L-K, talking on the phone or a mobile, talking with your friends. Read, R-E-A-D, read. Read means reading a newspaper or book. Your father is reading a newspaper, grandfather. Smile, S-M-I-L-E, smile. Smile means to give a broad smile on your face. Walk, W-A-L-K, walk. E-A-T, eat. S-I-N-G, sing. D-A-N-C-E, dance. T-E-A-C-H, teach. W-R-I-T-E, write. So all these are what? All these are called action words. Now we'll learn few more action words. One number, C-O-M-E, come. C-O-M-E, come. Come means ana. You are coming. Two number, G-O, go. Go means you are going somewhere. 3, L-I-K-E, like. 4, L-I-V-E, leave. 5, C-L-O-S-E, close. 6, O-P-E-N, open. Close means you are having a snacks from your lunch box. So you have closing your lunch box. You have finished it. O-P-E-N, open. You are opening your pencil box to write, to remove the pencil so that you can write in the book. 7, W-A-T-C-H, watch. 8, W-A-S-H, wash. Wash. After having your snacks, you are washing your hands. Number 9, L-E-A V-E, leave. 10, S-P-E-A-K, speak. 11, T-E-L-L, tell. 12, S-A-Y, say. Say means to say something, bolna. 13, S-I-T, sit. 14, S-T-A-N-D, stand. 15, G-I-V-E, give. 16, T-A-K-E, take. 17, C-R-Y, cry. 18, L-A-U-G-H, laugh. 19, F-L-Y, fly. 20, L-E-A-R-N, learn. 21, T-H-I-N-K, think. B-U-Y, buy. 23, B-R-I-N-G, bring. 24, T-E-A-C-H, teach. 25, D-R-I-N-K, drink. So these, even it has, the section words have how many names? 3 names it is having. Verbs that shows the action, verbs it is having, action words and doing words. So it is having 3 names. All these are what? All these are called action words. You are coming in the house or going out of the house. You like red color. You live in a bungalow. You are closing the door. Now you are opening the window. Watch. You are watching a nice animation movie in a TV. Wash. You are washing your hands before eating. Leave. To go out for a while. Speak, to talk something, to have a talk, conversation. Tell, you want to tell something to your parents. Say is also the same, you want to say something. Sit, you, when the teacher enters the class, that time you stand up and wish her. Then the teacher says, take your seat. You sit down. Give, if your friends have not brought anything, book or something, you share, so you give it. Take, after the class is over, if your friend has taken a scale to draw a line, so your friend will return it back to you. So give and take. Cry, while playing you will fall down, you got hurt, so you are crying. Laugh, you are watching a comedy movie, something, and you start laughing, that is laugh. Fly, the birds fly in the sky. In the school we learn many things, good manners and everything. Think, when the paper you are writing, when you are writing in a paper or something, or madam gives a topic, that time you think for a while what to say. Buy, you've gone in a stationery shop, you want to buy a notebook, you are purchasing a notebook, that is, you are buying a notebook new. Bring, you brought something for your parents. Teach, teach means to study. Teach means what? आप कुछ सिखा रहे हो. Drink, drink means you are drinking a glass of milk. Before going to school you drink a glass of milk. Before going to school you drink a juice, a glass of juice. So that is called drink. So all these verbs are what? Action words, doing words, they are called. All these are called describing words, action words you call, or you can call doing words. All these are called action words. One again we will read all the action words. Number 1, come. Number 2, go. 3, like. Leave. 4, 5, close. 6, open. 7, watch. 8, wash. 9, leave. 10, speak. 11, tell. 12, say. 13, sit. 14, stand. 15, give. 16, take. 17, cry. 18, laugh. 19, fly. 20, learn. 21, think. 22, buy. 23, bring. 24, teach. And the last is 25 number, drink. So all this exercise you have to write in your grammar notebook. Once again we will read action words. Action words are words that describe the action. Action words are words. As I told you, you are sitting just now. So it's showing the action. Okay, you are sitting, you are not standing, you are sitting just now. They tell us what people, animals, or things do. They even talk about people, animals, and things. They are also called doing words. Action words are also mainly known as doing words. And here are the example of the action words: play, talk, read, smile, walk, eat, sing, dance, teach, write. So dear children, complete this exercise in your grammar notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.